let's begin first with the chanting. So stand straight. कभी भी posture को do not let your posture go down loosely. Stand straight. Join your palms in Namaskar Mudra. Keep your eyes closed. And let's chant Omkara 3 times. सांसों को भरते हुए इनहेल relax. We'll start rubbing our palms together. Rub your palms enough so that you generate warmth. And once you feel the warmth is generated, आप gently अपनी हथेली को अपनी आंखों पे रख दे and feel the warmth of your palm. Slowly open up your eyes to newness. So we'll start first with the warm-up. As I have told you, we'll begin first with the head warm-up. Let me come closer to show you the head warm-up. So this is cervical. We have to work. Cervical is starting from the nape to the lower part. So what we have to do, inhale, centered, keeping our face straight. Inhale, exhale, tilting ourselves to the right side. One mistake we do most of the time, in order to reach our head to the shoulder, we just raise our shoulder closer to the neck. No, this is not correct. Simply we have to go inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. जिन्हें cervical pain है, it's highly beneficial for them. And one who has not, it's warm up. We must do every day this warm up, side to side tilting, 3 to 5 times or 5 to 8 times. It's up to you. आपने अपने according choose कर ले how many times you want to go with this. And then up and down. Inhale, look up, exhale, down. So there is one very big difference between yoga and other forms of workout. And the difference you must be knowing. But let me tell you, this is inhale, up, exhale, down. Now look sideways. So I was telling the difference, and difference is breathing. Here in this form of workout, you are associating your actions, your moves with breath, right? Simply, I'm not going with this and that side. Rather, I'm accompanying the inhaling and exhaling along with my moves. So let's see the sideways. Inhale, center again. Always keep your body spine straight. Do not droop your body. Do not let it to go down. Inhale. I feel better with closed eyes. It's up to you. But right now you have to open eyes to see my instruction. Later on, when you are practicing alone, you can close your eyes. Right? Now the time to rotate our head. Yeah, few people do complain in rotating 360 degrees. That's fine. You can go the halfway like this. Inhale, back, exhale. Inhale, exhale. This is halfway. I'll go up to complete rotation. पूरी तरह से हम लोग 360 डिग्री में रोटेट करते हैं like this. Inhale, ऐसे round 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 round. इसे भी आप 3 to 5 to 8 times कर सकते हैं, right? So जब आप ऐसे करते हैं, you can feel immediately the stretch over your cervical, your spinal cord. राइट. नाउ एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, इसमें भी यू हैव टू, आपको इनहेल एंड एक्सहेल इंड्यूस करना है. कैसे आप करेंगे? फर्स्ट हाफ जैसे ही आप नेक के बैक पार्ट पहुंचते हैं, इनहेल एंड देन आफ्टर एक्सहेल, इनहेल एक्सहेल, inhale and exhale, right? So this is cervical warm up. Next comes the shoulder part. Shoulder part, how we would do the warm up? So place the shoulder, place the palms on your shoulder पे रख ले. आपकी केहनी, आपकी elbow in line with the shoulder, सीधाई में, and then start rotating clockwise and anti-clockwise. Here also I can give you the side view. तो यहाँ आपने भी करना है इनहेल व्हेन यू आर, जब भी आप अपने हाथों को बाहर की ओर ले जा रहे हैं, दैट इनहेल, जब भी अंदर की ओर एक्सहेल. सो ऑलवेज accompany inhale and exhale with your breathing, right? See, ये सिर्फ वार्म अप ही नहीं है. You can feel it reduces, it helps to reduce the extra fat around your आर्म्स, बाइसेप्स. ये जो बैक आर्म्स होते हैं, बहुतों के बैक आर्म्स होते हैं, दिस पोर्शन यूज्ड टू बी सैगी, वो रिड्यूस होता है, राइट? नाउ आई विल गो विद द एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. एंड रिलैक्स. Next comes the waist part and spinal part. So we will go with the twist, spinal twist. So here you have to stretch. I'll give you again the side view. What exactly you have to do? Straight your arms, palms facing inward. अपने palms को अंदर की ओर. Inhale, exhale, twist yourself. Place simply आपको right palm onto the left shoulder blade and the left arm onto the waistline, like this, right? And then twist to look onto your right shoulder blade. Right shoulder blade की ओर देखे, and then change. Again, bringing your arms forward. Breathe out, going back. Breathe in, breathe out. Likewise, ये भी आप according to your body 5 to 10 times, like this. Breathe out. And lastly, थोड़ी कुछ सेकेंड के लिए होल्ड हियर. जस्ट होल्ड फॉर फ्यू सेकेंड्स. इंश्योर कि जब भी आप होल्ड करते हो, योर लेग पोजीशन डज नॉट ट्विस्ट. आपके लेग पोजीशन सेम जगह पे रहेंगे. ओनली यू हैव टू मूव योर अपर वेज, अपर टॉर्सो, ओनली योर टॉर्सो, लाइक दिस. चेंज, होल्डिंग ऑन टू अनदर साइड, लाइक दिस, राइट? तो कोई भी आसना, कोई भी प्रैक्टिस वी हैव टू डू ऑन बोथ साइड. ठीक है? Now let's move on to the waist part. We have to go to the waist warm up. So just place your palms beside your thigh and then start swinging like this. Slide your right palm towards right thigh, like this. थोड़े seconds के लिए, like this. So you can feel, जब आप बॉडी स्ट्रेट रखते हो, स्पाइन स्ट्रेट रखते हो, और सिंपली जब आप स्लाइड कर रहे हो, देन यू कैन फील द स्ट्रेच ऑन योर साइड्स हियर. And relax. Warm up is not necessary too longer, just little bit. Now go with the wrist and palms warm up. Here you have to place your left palm up and then down. नीचे की ओर प्रेस करें हार्ड, so that you feel stretch on your wrist, and then another side, up and down. Now making your palms, fingers open. Feel, आपको feel करना है that you have held a hard thing like coconut. You have held something very hard and you are not able to press it. So the position would be only up to here, like this. You are holding tighter, but not able to press the coconut, and then releasing. Again, tighten and रिलीजिंग टाइटली, और देन आफ्टर आप इसे रिलीज कर रहे हैं लाइक दिस। एंड लास्टली आपको फीस्ट बनाना है, अपने थम्स को अंदर की ओर रख के, फिंगर्स फोल्डेड, एंड देन स्टार्ट रोटेटिंग क्लॉकवाइज। सी दीज थिंग्स आप हर जगह देखेंगे, बट यू हैव टू, आपको समझनी होगी एक चीज कि कोई भी बेस पोस्चर अगर प्रॉपर तरीके से किया जाए देन ओनली यू वुड गेट द बेनिफिट। लाइक ऑल्सो रोटेशन आई एम डूइंग लाइक दिस, सिंपली रोटेटिंग रोटेटिंग, नो, अगर आप टाइट करते हो लाइक दिस and then start rotating, then you would be able to feel it through your arms up to your biceps, right? Like this. So this is the arms warm up. Now let's move on to the legs part. Legs part simply will not do anything. अगर आपके पास support हो, that's fine. Or else if you are comfortable, आप mat के बीच में रहो. Or else आप wall के पास जाके simply you have to raise your leg up and down 10 times like this. 1. Try not to touch the heel to the mat. अपने heels को mat पर touch ना करें. 4, 5, 10 times. 6. And lock your left knee. अपनी left knee को lock कर ले. You can take support of wall also. I can show you. I'll show you just like this. Likewise. So we'll do this on left side as well. 1. So it's highly important कि आप अपनी right knee को lock कर ले. If you keep on moving your right knee, you might get damaged. You might get damaged your kneecap. Right? Very good. I can see many of you practicing, but I'm extremely sorry. I have muted you, everyone. I have muted all the participants today for your better experience. Right? And then the last one. Last one is you have to rotate your ankle. Again, आप wall का support ले सकते हैं and keep on rotating your ankle 3 to 5 times. जैसा कि मैंने कहा, warm up should be from top to bottom. Another side. Yes. And then start with squeezing of toes. क्योंकि toes की भी exercise is highly important. Then start squeeze your toes. I'll show you, give you the closer view, how you have to squeeze your toes. Squeeze, release. Squeeze, release. So again, squeeze, inhale, release, exhale. Right? And then in, out, rotate. Right? Change, squeeze, release. Squeeze, release. Squeeze, release. Change, clockwise, anti-clockwise, and relax. Very good. Wonderful job. You guys are doing good. So now comes sun salutation. Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar बहुतों के मुंह से मैंने सुना है कि it's very tough. No, it's not tough. It's quite easy. But if it is done with proper alignment, then it's highly beneficial. ठीक है? So we'll go with the sun salutation. Surya Namaskar. It is also a kind of warm up. So sun salutation, it should be preferred to start on the east side. आप east side पे खड़े हो जाए. And then you start. This is my east side, so I will be starting from this side. Sun salutation. So मैं 2 बार sun salutation करूंगी, and third time would be the faster one. ठीक है? So let's start here. Sun salutation. Basically, सभी कोई आपने हर जगह देखा होगा, but here I'll show you the techniques how you have to do. Let me take my camera closer so that you would have clearer view. So stand, you have to stand straight, legs at shoulder width, and then palms initially beside your thigh, and then placing it at heart center to Namaskar Mudra. This is exhale. Here you have to exhale. Sorry for the disturbance. We'll wait here for a few seconds. I can see many of you practicing. Very good. Once again, sorry for the interruption. There is a power cut. It would be back in few seconds. However, I think so I am visible and clear to you all. Yes, the power has come. So let's start. Palms joined at the Namaskar Mudra. This is exhale position. There are 12 steps in sun salutation. और हर एक स्टेप every alternate steps आपके inhale and exhale. So first step is exhale. Then you go with the inhale. So inhale, you have to raise your arms up and push your hips forward. And आपको अपने neck को droop नहीं करना है. Unnecessarily do not droop your neck. आपकी arms जहाँ है वहीं आपकी head रहेगी. Right? Like this. Inhale. अगर आप इतना भी नीचे ना हो, that's fine. थोड़ी भी दूर हो, थोड़ा सा push. Exhale. हमारा common mistake. What we do? We simply exhale like this. No, do not hunch your back. अपनी बैक को मोड़ना नहीं है all of a sudden. Rather, आपको अपने hips को पीछे की ओर push करना है. Like this. पीछे की ओर push करना है. You have to basically bend from the base of your spine. Like this. Inhale. Exhale. And then there comes equestrian pose. अर्श संचालन आसन. यहाँ पे आपको राइट लेग को पीछे की ओर करना है. You have to drop your right knee down. अपनी राइट नी को डाउन कर ले अगर आप कंफर्टेबल है तो. Or else if you are more comfortable, you are able to tuck your right toe, lift up the right knee and place your palms sidewise. And then exhale to mountain. Take your legs to mountain. Like this. Mountain. And then start paddling your feet here. And then mountain to plank. Plank में आपको touch करना है toe and then move forward. This is plank position, my favorite. Then here, from here, plank. आपको अपनी knee को down and then stick your chest in between palms. Sometimes ये बहुत difficult होता है कुछ लोगों के लिए. So you can go and just keep closer view. Like this. So we were here in plank, right? Then plank, आप अष्टांग करें. अगर नहीं comfortable नहीं हो आप तो child pose में जाते हैं. Like this. Exhale. Chest in between palms. Like this. So if you are not comfortable, आप plank से child में जा सकते हैं. Then after you can go to Bhujangasana, right? Like this. Exhale. And then scooping up your chest to Bhujangasana, legs together, elbows sideways. And then again tucking your toes to mountain. This is mountain, leg straight. If you're not comfortable with the straight leg, you can bend your knee slightly, right? Mountain should be inverted knee, right? And then again raising your right leg up to bring back your right foot. This foot को आपने पीछे ले गया, the same foot would come forward, right here. And then again, exhale, inhale, namaskar. So this is half round. Half round इसलिए because we did it only with right leg. Now let's walk on to the left side. Let's begin. Inhale, exhale, inhale, mountain exhale, inhale to plank, exhale, bhujang, inhale. This is mountain exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. First round. Let's move towards second round. Any doubt, any query, please feed in chat box. Sorry, I can't answer you right now. I'll answer you later on. Inhale, exhale, inhale, mountain, exhale. तो कुछ आसन है जहां आपको याद कर लेना है कि mountain is exhale, right? Equestrian, bhujang is inhale, plank, Exhale, Ashtanga. Inhale, Bhujang. Exhale, mountain. Right leg. Exhale. Inhale. Namaskar. Another side. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Plank. Ashtanga. Inhale. Mountain. Exhale. Inhale. Once again I repeat, if you are not comfortable, बहुतों के साथ क्या प्रॉब्लम होता है, they are not able to reach, तो यहाँ तक पहुंच नहीं पाते, तो सिंपली आप अपनी एंकल को होल्ड एंड देन पुल इट थोड़ा सा इजीली, राइट. And one most important thing about equestrian pose is this. I'll show you the alignment. Alignment is this. जब आप इक्वेस्ट्रियन पोज पे हो तो यू माइट हैव सीन मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम योर नीज लाइक दिस, राइट. इट शुडंट क्रॉस. इट इज हाईली बैड प्रैक्टिस. इट विल सर्टेनली डैमेज योर नी कैप. तो जब भी आप इक्वेस्ट्रियन पोज पे हो, योर नी शुड बी इन लाइन विथ एंकल, राइट, लाइक दिस, like this. Can you see the alignment? Yes, like this. And then you can drop, either drop and then extend your right leg like this, and then take it forward. Exhale, and then inhale. So this is completion of 2 rounds. I'll go with one more round followed by asanas. Yeah. Let's start with the third and last round. So last round means one round constitute left and right leg. Let's begin. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, right leg back. Again, you can see the alignment. Left knee in line with the right, in line with the ankles. Mountain. Mountain maybe you have to take your chest inside. Jitna inside, more stretch you'd see. And then touching your toes to plank. Exhale to Ashtanga. Inhale to Bhujang. Exhale to mountain. Inhale to Sanchalanasana, equestrian pose. Exhale, Padhastasana, forward fold. Inhale, arching back. Exhale, Namaskar. Last one. Inhale. Why I'm repeating? So that you'd have clear idea about sun salutation. It's not a rocket science. It's simply a technically made steps. Like this. Like this. This. And relax. So this all was the 3 rounds of sun salutation. We have completed, and you can see sweats on my face. Who says yoga does not bring sweat? I'm sweating heavily. I used to lose weight only because of yoga, right? Now we'll move towards asanas. Asana, we have lots of asana: standing asana, sitting asana, prone and supine. But before starting asana, let me tell you one thing. Like most of the person, they tell me that I'm not having enough time. कि मेरे पास उतना टाइम नहीं है कि I would practice yoga, this or that. Especially the ladies. And I'm not asking anything. I'm not saying anything that no, you are making an excuse, because their excuses are real. ये real excuse है कि जब भी आप सुबह के टाइम में योगा करने का सोचते हो, then by that time only you get lots of work. So I'll tell you today in my session how you have to manage your yoga with your work. I'll tell you a very funny way how you will manage it. So first I'll take you to Tadasana. Tadasana also, it is beneficial for kids as well. So this is Tadasana here. Beneficial for kids because आपको इससे बच्चों की हाइट इंक्रीज होती है, राइट? बट एल्डर सोचेंगे इट्स नॉट बेनिफिशियल फॉर मी, देन नॉट, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट। इससे क्या होगा, आपके फोकस एंड कंसंट्रेशन भी इंक्रीज होते हैं, और किसे नहीं चाहिए एक अच्छे बेटर कंसंट्रेशन की किसी जरूरत नहीं है। तो हम लोग ताड़ासन करते हैं, लेग्स टुगेदर, शोल्डर विड्थ पे रखेंगे लेग्स को, एंड देन आर्म्स रेज्ड अप, आर्म्स को उठाएंगे, एंड देन इंटरलॉकिंग फिंगर्स, पाम्स की पोजीशन ऐसे रख, इंटरलॉक करके पाम्स टर्न अपवर्ड, ऊपर की तरफ पाम्स को रखेंगे, एंड देन लाइक दिस, एंड देन लेग पोजीशन आई विल शो यू, यू आर ऑन टोज, राइट? आप अपने टोज पे आ गए हो, एंड यू हैव टू बैलेंस, आपको यहीं पे बैलेंस करना है, राइट? तो बैलेंसिंग का आई गिव यू स्मॉल टिप्स, आपको मैं बताती हूँ कैसे यू वुड बी बैलेंसिंग। सिंपली डोंट डू एनीथिंग, यू हैव टू, आपको एक पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट चूज कर लो जहां पे आप थ्रू आउट प्रैक्टिस देखते रहोगे। Gaze at one fixed particular point, like this is gaze, taking your arms up, and then stay here. Two tricks are there. अपने आर्म्स को ऐसे रखें, होल्ड, एंड अपनी टोज, कीप ऑन टचिंग योर टोज, टोज को भी कंटिन्यूअसली आप टच करते रहो जमीन की तरफ। अगर आप नॉट एबल टू होल्ड फॉर लॉन्गर टाइम, लंबे समय के लिए, यू कैन ड्रॉप डाउन विथ एक्सहेल, एंड देन स्टार्ट अगेन, इनहेल, एक्सहेल। सो आई वाज टेलिंग, मैं कह रही थी कि बहुत सारे लोगों की एक्सक्यूज है, इवन इट हैपेंस विथ मी, जब भी मैं मूड बनाती हूँ या टुडे मुझे आज बहुत अच्छे से योगा करना है 1.5 hour, तो आई कंप्लीटली कम अप इन अ मूड, इन द मीन टाइम I get a call, I need this, I need that. So what I do, I'll show you. I'm here onto the mat, I have to go to the kitchen, so I'll follow this way only. See here, I am going to the kitchen, until unless, जब तक कि मैं किचन में पहुंच जाऊं, मैं इसी पोज में हूँ, मैं किसी पोज में कंटिन्यूअसली वॉक कर रही हूँ। इससे क्या है, यू आर एक्सरसाइजिंग, at the same time you are closer to your kitchen, right? तो one excuse sort out हो गया कि आपको योगा मैट से हट के किचन जाना होता है, तो go like this, walk like this, Urdhva Tadasana. See, you can see my height, I have grown taller, yes, and relax. Relax completely. So this is Urdhva Tadasana. Now we'll move on to next, that is tree pose. Tree pose, Vrikshasana. Vrikshasana again it's for balancing, बहुत अच्छा होता है balance and concentration and आपके पैर के strength के लिए. So balancing tree pose में I'll give you one tip. आप you can have support of wall like this. Have support of wall, you get closer to the wall, and then place your right foot to the left inner thigh, like this. ठीक है? जब आप you feel कि you have balanced yourself, then you start raising your arms up, like this, right? So this is tree pose. Let me come to the center of the mat. How you have to do? Placing, if you're not comfortable with the thigh position, you can place it here on your calf. आप अपनी calf पे भी रख सकते हो, थोड़ा सा नीचे ankle के पास, and onto the thigh, on inner thigh, upper thigh, but not on the knee. Knee पे बिल्कुल ना रखें, or else what will happen? जब आप knee पे रखेंगे and keep on pushing while balancing, तो आप इससे आपके knee damage होता है, right? So let's start tree pose. Few seconds, we'll hold for few seconds like this, right? So हमने यहाँ बैलेंस कर लिया है. अगेन द ट्रिक इज द सेम. आपको एक पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट की तरफ देखना है. and then you have to start raising your arms up. अगर आप इस पोजीशन पे कंफर्टेबल ना हो तो you can stand here in नमस्कार pose. अगर आप कंफर्टेबल हो तो then you have to raise your arms up to namaskar pose and then interlocking your fingers except the index finger like this. This would be the position into the air. Right? And then hold here. Do not close your eyes. आप अपनी आंखों को बंद ना करें because ये एडवांस्ड आसना में आता है. Eyes closed, tree pose, and we are not yogi. Like this. Stay here. थोड़े समय के लिए we'll hold for few more seconds. See, इतने थोड़े समय में we can feel the stretching of the left leg. Left leg में आपको एक बहुत खिंचाव सा फील हो रहा होगा. So this is strengthening. ये आपके leg को strengthen कर रहा है. This is good for your leg, for your focus, for your concentration. And then let's change. इसे हम चेंज करते हैं by slowly first exhale, dropping arms down, putting the right leg down, and then starting with the left leg. ऐसे जैसे ही हम अपने पाँव को नीचे रखते हैं, you can feel very much heaviness. आपके left leg में heaviness feel होता है. Now we'll start with the right leg like this again. Again the same. आप फिर से इसे अपने knee पे ना रखें. And inhale. Raising your arms up, interlock the fingers, palms turn, index fingers pointing towards ceiling. Very good. If you are not able to balance, अगर आप नहीं balance कर पाए, no issue. Take support. Feel free to have support. Tree pose. वृक्ष की तरह अपने शरीर को balance दे. Stand like a tree. You can see the tree standing outside. कड़ी धूप में, बारिश में, बरसात में, standing. Even human beings, हम भी अपने आप को उसी determination, focus के साथ stand कर सकते हैं. And again I say, this is highly beneficial आपके पैर के लिए. And one very important thing, never do it on one leg. एक leg पे आप करोगे तो one leg काफी अच्छा, should all highly built, good quality दिखेगी पाँव में. Well, अगर आप दूसरे पाँव का नहीं करेंगे, it will look very thin and saggy. Then people might get confused with person with disability. So आपको जब भी करना है आसना, दोनों पाँव पे करना है. Together, exhale and then dropping your leg down. Exhale. Again आप feel कर सकते हैं आपके right leg, it's completely tightened. Now you can shake it to release the stiffness like this and relax. अब हम लोग नेक्स्ट आसन की तरह जाएंगे. हमारा आजकल का कंसर्न रहता है कि वी हैव स्टार्टेड गेनिंग वेट. साइड पे वेट्स बहुत गेन होते हैं, तो हमें इसके लिए क्या करना है? सिंपल. सी, आज के सेशन में मैं जितने भी आसनास दिखा रही हूँ, यूं तो योगा में थाउजेंड्स ऑफ आसनास हैं, बट मैं आपको फ्यू बेसिक आसना दिखाती हूँ सो दैट यू डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज कि क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है. बेसिक आसना. नाउ वी विल गो टू रिड्यूस द साइड्स. क्या करना है? वी विल simply stand straight and raise, inhale, raising the arms, interlocking the fingers, same way, palms turned up like this. उसके बाद हम लोग साइड की तरफ मूव करेंगे. साइड की तरफ इनहेल, एक्सहेल जैसे ही करेंगे, वी हैव टू पुश आवर right side wrist to the right and left arm, arms towards left side like this. This is called Surya Tadasana. ठीक है? Inhale, exhale. ऐसे करेंगे कुछ बार. See, कोई भी योगा, कोई भी रिपीटेशन, इट्स अप टू यू. आपके बॉडी पे है कि हाउ लॉन्ग यू वांट टू, कितनी देर आप चाहते हो. अगर आप चाह रहे हो कि सच में आपको साइड में फैट है तो यू मस्ट डू दिस इनिशियली. स्टार्ट आप करो 5 to 10 टाइम्स एंड देन मेक इट 15 to 20. जब अगर आप 15 to 20 में भी कंफर्टेबल हो देन यू मेक इट इन सेट्स में बना लो. 20 20 20 के 3 सेट्स. then you can certainly feel the reduction in side flaps. कभी कभी साइड्स कैसे दिखते हैं, लाइक मफिन्स. तो इसी वजह से हम इसे मफिन टॉप भी कहते हैं. साइड्स लाइक दिस. Very good. Good going. You can feel on your sides. And then hold. Hold means इस पोजीशन में आके थोड़ी देर होल्ड करें. इंश्योर कि आपका हाथ जो है एग्जैक्टली over your ears and under ears. And then come up, exhale, another side. And inhale, exhale, relax. So this was completion of 3 asana in standing way. Now the time to switch on to next and sitting asana. So first आसन में हमने देखा कि we worked on our height and how we can do ourselves, हमारा काम at the same time योगा करते हुए how we have to manage, कैसे हम अपने other काम्स को भी manage करते हैं. Next, one more thing, आपको फिर से कुछ काम आ गया. Then what you can do, take your left leg को आगे की ओर करें, right leg back. Try to align your heels and then drop it down. ऐसे करें. Come up, उठ के. See, I'm walking. I can do my work this way. इसी तरीके से मैं पूरे घर में walk करके I will do something. I have to water my plants. See, like this. I have reached watering my plant. Third, yes. So did you see how I watered my plant? So it's not an excuse. कोई excuse नहीं है कि मुझे जाना है इधर से उधर. I shown you the way how you will do. Right? So now we will move and switch on to the next. That is Utkatasana. Again, my favorite. Extending your arms forward, pushing your hips back, and stay here. See, again, आपकी knee आपके toe को cross नहीं करेगी, or else it will damage your kneecap. I'll show you. It shouldn't go like this. No, it will damage. आपको यहाँ पे ऐसे करके, yes. And many of participants, आपने अपने videos को off रखा है. You can switch on your video like this. Utkatasana. And then अगर आपको घुटनों में दर्द है तो it's not necessary कि आप इतना झुके. You come up to here only. ठीक है? But if you are capable, आप कर सकते हो तो go deeper like this. And then We will switch आगे की ओर, ऐसे 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 करते स्लो 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 will sit onto the mat like this, right? So this is Dandasana, the relaxing pose. Dandasana, let me arrange the setting. Yes. This is Dandasana. Staff pose. This is to facilitate you for any other further posture. Okay. Now let's move on to Ardha Matsyendrasana. Ardha Matsyendrasana की खासियत क्या है? It's highly beneficial for people suffering from diabetes, abdominal issue, acidity, gastritis. So it's highly beneficial for them. So अब let's show Ardha Matsyendrasana. But Ardha Matsyendrasana में जाने से पहले मैं आपको एक बताऊंगी simpler way, the easier one. So what you have to do? Place your right foot beside left outer thigh. Here, right? So if you just keep your legs stretched here. So this is Vakrasana, and you have to bring the opposite arm. जैसे कि आपने right knee को लाया है, तो opposite arm left with inhale, inhale, and then आपको wrap करना है right knee to the outside like this. आपको यहाँ continuously push करना है. Keep on pushing like this. And अगर आप comfortable हो इससे, then you can go closer to catch hold of your ankle like this, right? अगर आप बहुत comfortable हो, तो we will switch to Ardha Matsyendrasana like this, bringing first right foot to the left outer thigh, and then this one left to the right. This position, and the opposite arm. Inhale, exhale, catch hold of your ankle like this, and then look behind. Right palm behind your spine. Can you see my posture? Yes. You have to look behind towards right shoulder blade. इस पोजीशन में आपको रहना है कुछ सेकंड के लिए. This is called Ardha Matsyendrasana, named after a yogi, Matsyendranath. So इस पोज में आपको keep on pressing your knee. Knee को completely and continuously left की ओर press करना है. At the same time आपको twist करना है अपने abdomen को towards right shoulder blades. You can feel stretch, and slowly first inhale, arms, and then release, legs extended, relax. Now we'll go with another side as well. As I have told, कोई भी आसना हम लोग एक साइड नहीं करेंगे, rather we will do it on both sides. So इसका भी है initial. अगर आप दोनों पाँव से नहीं कर पाते तो do it with only one leg. एक पाँव से ही करना है. Right leg stretch, left leg back, and then inhale. Opposite arm, जैसे मैंने left knee लिया तो opposite arm, right arm, take it inside and keep on pushing, right? Keep on pushing. अगर आप comfortable हो तो then bend your knee like this, and then catching hold of your ankle. एक बार आपने ankle को hold कर लिया, then you look behind, placing your palms पीछे की ओर like this. यहाँ पे आपको कुछ समय के लिए होल्ड करना है, because holding is the best way. अगर आप किसी आसन में आते हो तो try to hold that particular आसन. There only you can go deeper. Ardha Matsyendrasana. Keep on looking behind. पीछे की ओर देखना है. So मैंने आपको दो तरीका बताया कि आप हाउस वर्क इन बिटवीन योगा कैसे कर सकते हो. तो try to bring in your life.
For how long is the session, please?
It would end within half an hour.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. And then exhale, relax. Relax completely Now next move on to the next, that is Gomukhasana. Gomukhasana is highly beneficial again for the person suffering from arms or frozen shoulder problem. Frozen shoulder is the most common problem आजकल बहुत लोगों को हो गया है because of their work style, living thing and all. तो आपको यहाँ next क्या करना? If you are not comfortable, again I would say we will go simply to the Sukhasana or Padmasana or Ardha Padmasana. But here I'll take you the original Gomukhasana. So Gomukhasana thing. So here you have to place your right leg को towards left hips and the left leg towards right hips. See, you can see आप मेरे पाँव को देख सकते हैं. Soles are onto opposite side and knees in one straight line. Can you see my knees in one straight line? Yes. अगर ये possible नहीं है आपसे, no issue. As I told you, आप जा सकते हो सुखासन में. And then take help of strap. Strap की help से you have to bend your right elbow behind, ठीक है? And then left elbow from downward. And then try to pull each other. I'll give you back view. Like this. See, I'm comfortable without a strap, so I'll show you. You have to basically hold the fingers like this and release, relax. Now perform the same with another hand. As I have said you, both sides should be covered. दोनों तरफ से करेंगे. Like this. Now left arm. अब left arm ऊपर की ओर जाएगा because last time we did it with right arm. पहले हमने right arm को ऊपर किया था. Now this time left arm. Again you can have support of strap. आप strap की help से भी अपने आप को pull कर सकते हो towards like this. Like this. Gomukhasana, right? तो holding is up to you. आप कितनी देर hold करना चाहते हो? ये totally depends upon you. You can hold this for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. It's totally up to you. And then relax. So this is Gomukhasana, right? अब हम लोग next pose की ओर जाते हैं. That is again my favorite and it's good for your abdomen, core and your arms. So your palms position should be like this. Palms inside and fingers spreaded. Fingers spreaded, legs together and then raise your hips up first. With inhale, raise your hips up. Slow, slow, slow. Once you have raised, droop your neck down. This is Purvottanasana, reverse plank. If you are used to a practice, अगर आप practice करते हो, तो then you go with the push-up, reverse push-up like this. Breathe out, थोड़ा सा elbow bend and then raise up. Breathe out, elbow bend and then raise up. Breathe out. Within second, आप feel करोगे you are getting abdominal massage, right? Few more seconds to hold simply in Purvottanasana, reverse plank. And relax. Relax here completely. Lie down on your back. And so हम लोग back से अब अपने pronasana पे आएंगे. So there is one relaxing way how we convert from supine to prone. Simply we have to stretch our arms and then start rolling like this. This is an interesting way. You can roll onto your ground. Roll. Roll. जिन्हें BP की problem है, this is highly beneficial for them also. Roll. See, जितने भी योगा थे, आसनास है, in any other form, smaller form, bigger forms, we used to practice in our childhood. हम लोग अपने childhood में we were doing like this, no? So I came on my stomach, right? So So here this is called Pronasana. I'll go with the only one simpler Pronasana, that is Dhanurasana. अब आप कहोगे Dhanurasana is a tough thing, then how can you say this is simpler? I'll show you the easier way to work in Dhanurasana. So simply up, one hand Dhanurasana will work. First we'll bend in the right knee, catch hold of the right ankle को catch करें, and then raise left arm lift hand, and then raise your right thigh up. Thigh को ऊपर रखना. This is the main thing. पहले chest को उठाएं with inhale, and then thigh up. अगर आपकी thigh में you are not comfortable, तो you use the block. Block नहीं हो तो आप एक pillow use कर सकते हैं, like this. So these are the props. आप props का use करें ताकि आप बेहतरीन तरीके से posture में आ सके. Inhale. See, आप देख सकते हैं right thigh above the mat. इससे आपके back में एक stretching आ रही है. आप left leg को onto the ground पर ही रखें, right? And then drop it down. I'll go without block. So this is simpler way. You can go the same way. दूसरी पाँव पे भी इसी तरीके से करेंगे, safety से, right? अगर जो practice की जिनकी habit है, one who are used to practicing, so they can go with the basic, the Dhanurasana, complete Dhanurasana like this, catching hold of the both ankles, and then inhale like this. You can see the thigh position and then look forward. अगर आप मस्ती के मूड में हो तो just rock and roll. और भी ज्यादा to go sideways and then forward. जिनको नी का प्रॉब्लम हो, they should avoid this. और अगर जिनको करने की इच्छा हो तो वो स्लो, वो थाई को ज्यादा, नी को ज्यादा पुल ना करे, वो स्लो, right? We'll hold 10 seconds here like this. And drop it down, relaxing Makarasana. See, this is Makarasana. आप palms को one palm upon another रख लें, and then forehead resting over the palm, and then heels inside, legs outside, like this. This is Makarasana. So this is so interesting. You keep on relaxing if you have to tired of. So isn't it interesting? Yoga में relax करने का भी एक pose है. It has its own pose for relaxing as well, right? So you can relax in style, not simply. So this is Makarasana. Yes. Now let's switch on. हम लोग मूव करते हैं सुपाइनासना की तरफ. जितने भी सुपाइनासना होते हैं, I guess it would be favorite of everyone because it works mainly on your abdomen. आपकी पेट की काम करता है, कोर को स्ट्रेंथन करता है, आपके abdominal fat को reduce करता है. So let's start with the abdominal part. So here what we have to do, simply हमें अपने legs stretch करना है together, palms को hips के अंदर like this, tucking your palms under hips, head onto the mat, and then legs together. जब हम मैं आपको कहती हूँ knee rotation, leg rotation, तो you don't have to bend your knee. अपनी knee को bend ना करें and simply raise it up together like this, right? And then start rotating clockwise, गोल. So initially आप 5 times से start करें. You can then take it to 10 times, 20 times, और वो भी comfortable लगने लगे, then you can divide it in sets. Sets बना ले 3 के, 20, 20, 20, right? Like this. जिनको स्पॉन्डिलाइट, जिनको बैक की प्रॉब्लम है, जिनके लोअर बैक में पेन है, they should avoid this. See, दिस इज हाईली बेनिफिशियल फॉर एब्डोमिनल फैट, एब्डोमिन के फैट को कम करने में ये बहुत मददगार है। तो इतनी देर में आई कैन फील, मुझे फील हो रहा है लाइक फैट इज कमिंग आउट, एब्डोमिनल फैट like this, and relax. See, I can't show you the whole movement, everything, each and everything in this single session itself. So I have stopped it to few seconds. आप अपने accordingly you just increase the number and repetition. आप अपनी repetition को बढ़ा लें. Relax, and then next is सेतु बंधासन, bridge pose. Bridge pose में what you have to do, करना क्या है? Simply you have to bend your knee. Just a second. Yeah. So you have to bend your knees like this, and then if comfortable, agar aap ho, to try to catch hold of your ankles from both sides. If not, then simply place it beside, or else try to catch hold behind, catch hold the heels. Heels ko hi aap pakad lo, tak le, and then do like catching hold, and then inhale, raise your hips first. First अपने hips को उठाएंगे, and then your chest, and then torso like this. This is सेतु बंधासन, bridge pose. जैसे ही आप इस pose में आते हैं, you can feel the stretch in your abdomen. ये आपके back pain के लिए बहुत helpful है. Abdominal fat. Relaxing your torso. इस तरीके से आपको कुछ देर के लिए फॉर अ वाइल होल्ड करके जाना है. इफ यू आर नॉट एबल, होल्ड नहीं कर पा रहे हो तो नो इश्यू, यू कैन गो डाउन, नीचे जाके देन अगेन कम बैक लाइक दिस थोड़ी देर के लिए. इसमें हो क्या रहा है, वी आर अगेंस्ट द ग्रेविटी. तो जब भी हम अपने बॉडी को अगेंस्ट द ग्रेविटी ले जाते हैं तो बहुत फोर्स लगता है. तो फोर्स इज गोइंग देयर, इट्स ड्रॉइंग इट्स फोर्सेस एंड ड्रॉइंग इट्स एनर्जी फ्रॉम द स्टोर्ड फैट. जो भी आपकी बॉडी की स्टोर्ड फैट है उसी से ये एनर्जी ले रही है. एंड देन एक्सेल, ड्रॉप डाउन, रिलैक्स, स्ट्रेंथ योर लेग्स, relax completely. We are closer to relaxation and shavasana, so stay tuned. And lastly, before we move on to pranayama, this is Pavan Muktasana, the very relaxing pose. आजकल की कॉमन प्रॉब्लम हो गई है लोगों में, गैस्ट्रोटाइटिस, एसिडिटी एंड बैक पेन. तो इन तीनों से लड़ने के लिए वी हैव पवन मुक्तासन, रेजिंग राइट लेग अप, इनहेल, bending the right knee, catching hold your leg in between arms, ऐसे कैच करना. अगर आप यहाँ कंफर्टेबल हो दैट्स फाइन. अगर आप यू आर यूज्ड टू प्रैक्टिशनर्स हो तो यू रेज अप योर हेड, अपने हेड को रेज करें एंड ट्राई टू प्लेस द चिन ऑन टू राइट नी कैप. ऐसे कंप्लीटली पूरी टाइट तरीके से चिन को नी कैप पे रिप्लेस एंड keep on pulling. Like this, and first exhale, dropping your head down, and then straightening your leg. Drop your legs down. Relax. We'll go with the same. Another side. Inhale, left leg, bend. Fold, and then after you have to do like this. Hold here. अगर आप comfortable नहीं हो तो once again I say you can drop your head, and or else you can put a block under your head. So again मैं बोलूँगी, feel free to use props. And relax completely. So this was all the part of the asanas. So we have done with the asana part. तो हमने क्या किया? We did with the standing asana, Tarasana for focusing, then three pose, then sideways for side reduction. We did with the Utkatasana and then Ardha Matsyendrasana for diabetic people and gastritis. गैस्ट्रोटाइटिस, एंड देन वी डिड काउच फेस, उससे आपके फ्रोजन शोल्डर की प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व होती है. देन वी डिड विद द धनुरासन, इट्स गुड फॉर योर बैक, योर लेग, एब्डोमेन, सारे पार्ट्स के लिए. देन फाइनली वी वेंट ऑन टू सेतु बंधासन. जैसा कि हमने सेतु बंधासन में फील किया कि इट वाज वर्किंग मेनली ऑन योर बैक एंड एब्डोमेन, right? And then finally we ended up with Pavan Muktasana, the very beneficial and very good pose, relaxing pose, Pavan Muktasana. Thank you. So now we will move on to the main part, that is pranayam. Pranayam everybody knows nowadays. Everybody has a knowledge of pranayam. Give me a second to adjust the camera once again.
Please unmute yourself. You are on mute. No one can hear you.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. So, we'll start with प्राणायाम. हम लोग प्राणायाम से स्टार्ट करेंगे. जैसा कि मैंने कहा, सभी को प्राणायाम का नॉलेज है, कैसे करते, क्या करते. But even then, I'll give you the basic tips and tricks. Pranayam is mainly what? Pranayam is mainly pran plus ayam. Pran means your life, ayam means control. आप सोच रहे हो, if you are able to control your breath, पूरा वर्ल्ड जहां आज ब्रेथ को लेके ही इतना हॉच पॉच है, इतने हस्टल एंड बस्टल हो चुके हैं ब्रेथ को ही लेके, तो अगर हम अपनी ब्रीदिंग को कंट्रोल कर ले रहे हैं, तो इजंट इट सो मैजिकल थिंग. तो ब्रीदिंग कंट्रोल करना इट्स वेरी इजी. थोड़ी सी हमें कंसंट्रेशन एंड फोकस की जरूरत है, एंड देन इट वुड बी डन. So what basically we have to do, first pranayam is bird pranayam along with bhastrika. तो कैसे हमें करना है? Simply we have to stretch our sideways, palms turned up, ऐसे palms को करना है, and then inhale slow. See, एक inhalation at least आप 6 to 7 seconds का लें, right? So जब आप यहाँ पहुंच जाते हो, palms facing upward, and then make a fist. Exhale with a stroke. Again, inhale. Like this. Exhale with a stroke. Inhale. Right. So this तरीके से, इस तरीके से आपको ये प्राणायाम बर्ड विद भस्त्रिका 3 राउंड्स में करने हैं, 20, 20, 20 each. But here it's a session, so I can't take you to 20, 23 rounds. Rather, I'll go to only 2 rounds. So let's start. The basic thing is that आपको अपनी आंखें बंद रखनी है and focus yourself to one place, and then inhale. Person suffering from high BP, heart issues, please go very slow. Especially while giving stroke downward, they have to go very slow. Now you can hear the breathing sound. ये मैं आपको सुनाने के लिए कह रही हूँ, or else if you are used to, do not make such sound, or else it might bring abrasion to your nostrils. आपकी नाक की अंदरूनी सतह छिल सकती है. So try to not pull the inhale deeper. Relax, relax. So this was first round, and now we'll go with second round after just 2 to 3 seconds of gap. हम लोग gap देते हैं so that हमारा breath it settles. Then only we can go with the next round and then start with inhale. And relax completely. इसके बाद थोड़े seconds के gap. Allow your breath to cool down completely. And then let's switch on to the next and very famous pranayam, that is Anulom Vilom. Anulom Vilom हम सब जानते हैं, but I'll show you the techniques how you have to do the Anulom Vilom pranayam. Anulom Vilom pranayam, left palm in chin mudra, tip of the thumb and first finger would be placed onto your thigh, and then right palm with your thumb. आप अपने thumb का use करेंगे. Only 2 fingers के use होते हैं प्राणायाम में. This right thumb and then this right ring finger. First 2 finger, you just fold it inside and then start here like this. You have to first place it on right nostril. See, आपको कभी कभी आपने देखा होगा कि few people starting from left, few people starting from right. What is this? What is the exact way? तो आपको पहले अपनी नाक को बंद कर लेना, आंखों को बंद करके सांस दोनों नाक से फील करें, इनहेल करने का. तो you can feel inhale and then exhale. आपको फील होगा कि एक पर्टिकुलर नॉस्ट्रिल से आपकी ब्रीदिंग ज्यादा हो रही होगी. लाइक अगेन जैसे मैं अभी कर रही हूँ इनहेल, आई कैन फील इट फ्रॉम बोथ नॉस्ट्रिल. बट कुछ लोगों के साथ क्या है, वो राइट नॉस्ट्रिल से फील करते हैं कि ब्रीदिंग इज कमिंग आउट फास्टर देन लेफ्ट. कुछ लोगों के साथ है कि लेफ्ट नॉस्ट्रिल से ब्रीदिंग इज कमिंग आउट फास्टर देन राइट. तो जिनकी ब्रीदिंग जिस तरफ से फास्टर आ रही है वो उसी तरफ से स्टार्ट करें. लाइक राइट नॉस्ट्रिल से फास्टर आ रही है तो विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम राइट साइड. अगर लेफ्ट साइड से फास्टर है आपकी ब्रीदिंग तो यू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट साइड. I will start from the left because मेरे दोनों तरफ से I can feel equal inhalation and equal exhalation. It's because of practice. So I'll start with the Anulom Vilom Pranayam. So the main thing is that कि your posture should be straight. अगर आप not posture को straight नहीं कर पा रहे हो तो you just place one block behind your lower back and then take support. This way your spine would be straight like this, right? And then we'll start. Left palm in chin mudra, right palm, right fingers onto right nostril, right thumb onto right nostril. Close your right nostril and close your eyes. So you have to basically inhale from left nostril. 5 to 7 seconds का inhale करें at least. अगर आप beginners हो तो 3 to 4 seconds and then exhale, same ratio. अगर आप practitioner हो, practice कर रहे हो तो try to increase the timing of exhalation. Exhalation हमेशा inhale से double होना चाहिए. But I'm not forcing you, I can't force you, so go according to your way. और अगर आप बहुत expert हो breathing में तो you just introduce hold in between, like inhale, hold your breath. 1, 10 seconds का hold. Exhale. Right? Let's continue. We'll go only one round. मैं आपको सिर्फ show करूंगी. Inhale with my palms movement. Whenever जब भी मैं हाथ ऊपर उठाऊंगी, you have to understand I'm inhaling, hold like this, exhaling, palms down. Inhale. exhale. Right? One more thing, in Anulom Vilom, जब आप स्टार्ट करते हो inhaling from left nostril, holding your breath, and then when you exhale through right nostril, जब आप exhale कर लेते हो तो आपको right nostril से ही again breathing start करनी है. Inhale from the right itself, फिर ऊपर आके hold, and then जब आप exhale करते हो तो this comprise of one complete round. One complete round होता है inhale left, exhale right, then exhale from right, inhale from left, constitute of one complete round. So आपको इसे देखना कि कितने मिनट्स के लिए आप कर सकते हो. इनिशियली आप स्टार्ट करो 2 minutes, 3 minutes, then 4 minutes, 5, then you can make it increase it to 15 minutes or 30 minutes per day. जरूरी नहीं है कि आप बैठ के कहीं पर्टिकुलर टाइम दो. जब भी आप एम्प्टी स्टमक में फील हो, थोड़ा लाइटर स्टमक में हो, तो कहीं भी आप कॉर्नर में जाके यू कैन स्टार्ट विद दिस प्राणायाम. So this was all the pranayam part, and then we reach here to the last Yog Nidra. Yog Nidra is the very relaxing part of the pranayam, the relaxing part of the yoga. So what we do in Yog Nidra, simply we stretch out the legs, and then I'll show you the basic posture in Yog Nidra is Shavasana. Mainly you have to go to Shavasana with your legs apart, toes falling freely out, and then palms turned up towards ceiling, like this. Nose pointing towards ceiling, eyes closed. Take deep inhalation and exhale. Inhale, exhale. जैसे ही आप शवासन में आते हैं, you can feel your body starts relaxing. आपकी बॉडी immediately relaxation feel करने लगती है. Now you have to take a deep tour of your body. हम लोग अपनी ही बॉडी पार्ट्स को अपनी अंदरूनी आंख से देखेंगे. We'll start first. जैसे ही मैं बॉडी पार्ट्स के नेम लेती हूँ, you have to feel कि आप उस पर्टिकुलर बॉडी पार्ट को अपनी अंदरूनी आंख से देखकर फील कर रही हैं. So inhale, look onto your head, forehead, eyes and eyebrows, cheeks, nostrils, lips, chin, complete face, moving on to neck part, throat center, shoulders, biceps, triceps, elbows, forearms, wrist, palm, fingers, tip of the 10 fingers, Move awareness, chest. मैं जिस पार्ट का नेम ले रही हूँ, try to look onto those parts from your inner eye. Abdomen, lower back, middle back, upper back, back of the shoulders, complete arms, then to waist, thigh, knees, lower leg, ankles, feet and toes, then soles, heels, ऊपर की ओर, calf muscles, back of the knee, hamstring, थाई का निचला हिस्सा, hip, lower back, complete body, relax. Now I'll show you one last breathing. It's breathing as well as relaxing technique. This is called abdominal breathing. Abdominal breathing में basically when we inhale, जब हम inhale करते हैं, तो we'll raise our abdomen. I'll show you with the t-shirt tuck tighter. So this is inhale position. I will raise my abdomen up. अगर आप नहीं feel कर पा रहे हो, तो you can place a block over your abdomen. Then you can see the movement of mine. See, I'm inhaling and the block would move up. You can see, inhale, block is moving up, and with exhale, it will go deeper down. नीचे की ओर, again inhale. So जब आप inhale करोगे, you'd feel your abdomen has gone bigger. आपकी पेट बहुत ऊपर चली जाती है, like pregnant lady, like this. See, you can see my abdomen in inhale and then exhale. Exhale. Likewise. So this is abdominal breathing. And let's come out of this relaxation. Let's start stretching your fingers. अपने fingers को stretch करें and take your arms behind like this. Keep on stretching behind. And relax. Now start wiggling your fingers and toes. अपने toes and fingers को wiggle करें. Slight movement. And then turn on to right side or left side. Right palm के support से sit up. Back to Sukhasana. Keep your eyes closed for a few more seconds. Just observe the silence within. You can feel emptiness. कुछ देर पहले बिफोर सेशन बहुत सारी चीजें आपके दिमाग में थी, मल्टीपल थॉट्स, मल्टीपल थिंकिंग, मल्टीपल एंजाइटी, but now you can feel it's blank. There is nothing left inside. I know as soon we will finish, newness would come. बहुत सारी नई चीजें आएंगी, but that's fine. There must be place for new thing. अगर आप पुरानी चीजों को अपने दिमाग से हटाएं, तभी आप नई चीज, अच्छी चीजों को अपने अंदर समा सकते हैं. So this is the yoga reunion, union of your mind with your body and your soul. अपने दिमाग, अपने शरीर, अपनी आत्मा को reunite करें. Then you would be able to feel yourself, meet yourself. हम दुनिया में सबसे मिल रहे हैं, सभी से बातें कर रहे हैं, सभी को पहचान रहे हैं, but we forgot meeting ourselves. खुद को हम नहीं पहचान पा रहे. Who am I? हम कौन हैं? So this is the best way. अपनी आंखों को बंद करके just अपने शरीर की ओर देखें, अपनी अंतरात्मा में देखें, अंतरात्मा में झांकें कि who am I? मैं कौन हूँ? What is my purpose on this earth? Am I fulfilling that purpose? क्या मैं अपने उस पर्पस, लक्ष्य की ओर, रिजोल्यूशन, जो संकल्प है मेरी जिंदगी का, उसकी ओर बढ़ रही हूँ? अगर हाँ, तो कीप ऑन मूविंग. अगर नहीं, तो रीइंट्रोस्पेक्ट, सेल्फ आकलन करें. एंड सीड अ रिजोल्यूशन. एक रिजोल्यूशन सीड करें. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू फॉर योरसेल्फ, नॉट फॉर अदर्स. पूरी जिंदगी हम दूसरों के लिए जीते हैं. लेट्स लीव फॉर आवरसेल्फ फॉर अ व्हाइल. अपने लिए एक रिजोल्यूशन फीड करें. आई हैव टू डू दिस. आई हैव टू अचीव दिस. आई हैव टू गेट दिस. इट शुड बी वन लाइनर. When you feel आपने रिजोल्यूशन फीड कर लिया है, then it's complete. Feel yourself complete. Now we will move towards conclusion of the session by chanting. So let's chant. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. Sarve Santu Niramaya. सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. palms को rub करें, generate enough warmth. Place it on your eyes. Transfer the warmth. Do not open up your eyes once again. And now place it on your eyes. Give gaps between fingers. के बीच में gap and then look through the gaps of the fingers. And then remove your palm. Relax. Thank you so much. So this was the session. Now you can unmute yourself. If you have any query, you can ask me and I'll upload the same video on my YouTube channel. Please go through that because here many of you might have missed this. बहुत लोगों ने आपने miss किया होगा. Then you can go in YouTube in detail, right? Any queries, any question, you can ask me here by unmuting yourself.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your presence. आप आए उसके लिए बहुत thanks.
बहुत अच्छा सेशन रहा.
Thank you. Hope so कि ये सेशन बस यहीं तक ना रहे. Rather आप इसे अपनी लाइफ में लाए हमेशा के लिए. It should not be कि मैंने आज एक योग सेशन किया योगा डे पे और ये यहीं खत्म हो गया. I want everyone, मैं सभी से एक्सपेक्ट करूंगी कि आप योगा को अपनी जिंदगी में हमेशा के लिए लाएं क्योंकि ये एक दिन की बात नहीं है. आपका हेल्थ इज नॉट अबाउट वन डे, इट्स फॉर लाइफ लॉन्ग, राइट? तो आपको इस चीज को करते रहना. जितना बेसिकली मैंने बताया, मैंने आपको बहुत बेसिक आसनाज बताया है, आपको बस उतना ही करना है. अगर आपको लगता है कि यू आर बेस्ट, यू कैन गो हायर, देन यू कम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल. देयर यू कैन हैव द बिगिनर. आई हैव बिगिनर सीरीज 7-day प्रोग्राम ऑन योगा चैनल ऑन माय यूट्यूब चैनल. आप उस पे जाए. अगर आपको कंफर्ट नहीं हो तो आप डे 1 से स्टार्ट करें. मैंने बहुत बेसिकली से सिखाया है डे 1 में. अगर आप बिल्कुल नहीं जान रहे कैसे, then you have to go to day 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, so on till day 7, right? So thank you once again for joining my session. Keep yourself healthy. Bye. Take care.
Same to you. Bye.
Bye.